Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Truist Bank app, fast setup step by step clearly. To get started with Zelle using the Truist Bank app, first, download the Truist app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Truist app and log in with your online banking credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Send Money or Zelle option. Tap on it to access Zelle features. If prompted, read and accept the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Next, you will be asked to link your mobile number or email address to your Zelle account. Choose the method you prefer and enter the information. You may receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code provided to confirm your identity. Once verified, you can add your contacts to Zelle. Select the person you want to send money to or add a new contact by entering their mobile number or email. Input the amount of money you wish to send. Add an optional message if you'd like to include one. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a notification confirming that your payment has been sent. To receive money, simply share your registered mobile number or email with the sender. Follow the same verification steps if it's your first time receiving funds via Zelle. You can check your transaction history within the app to see past payments. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the Truist app for guidance. Congratulations, you're now ready to use Zelle with your Truist Bank app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.